Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. All kids seem to love building blocks. So I love this Mega Block 80-piece set that comes in this nice portable bag as well as a handle to be able to put all the pieces in. What's great about these blocks is that they're a big chunky size for, especially starting with toddlers, so it's easy for them to be able to put them together and take them apart. It's got all sorts of shapes and sizes and colors, so it's going to give them a lot of options about things that they would like to build and put together. It's kind of a fun thing to do as a family to see where their imagination goes. So if you are thinking about getting some building blocks for a little special one in your life, I definitely recommend this one. It's got plenty of pieces to work with, and it's going to give them tons of activities and time to play. And that is just my point of view.